Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Oneplus 11R with me. It's a 5G phone and this model is the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of ROM variant. I have this model in the Galactic silver variant, which is an absolutely wonderful color. So let's do the unboxing of the phone. On opening the cellophane wrap, we get the box itself in the usual red color, which is signature to OnePlus, with the model name written on the front and OnePlus branding on the side. Then we get this never settle box, which houses a transparent clear case for the phone. And apart from that, it contains a few brand stickers and a few paperwork, which is absolutely of no use. But keeping this aside, we also get this red cable club card which also has the SIM ejector tool in it. Keeping this aside, let's jump to the main box content. So, in the main box, we get the phone itself, and as I told you, this is the Galactic Silver variant, and the front and back of the phone are made up of glass, while the sides are made up of plastic. The back of the phone has this wonderful color and it has a matte finish with a grainy texture as well. So the sleeping of the phone won't be an issue. And apart from that, we get this 100-watt massive SuperVOOC charger proprietary to OnePlus along with the cable. The cable is of type A to type C, and discussing more the features, this phone has a 120Hz super fluid display with a peak brightness of 1450 nits and 450 pixels per inch. Apart from that, it houses a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and its expandable RAM is up to 16 GB. So as you can see, I'm booting this phone up. It's gonna take a while. Now this phone houses a triple camera setup with a primary camera developed by Sony, which is a 50 megapixel Sony MX 890 main lens. It also has a 4 centimeter macro lens and a field of view of 120 degrees. This phone has an aperture of 1.5 inches and optical image stabilization is available as well. Now it also has a battery health engine which helps you optimize the battery and not harming the phone's battery health. So this is it. And as you can see, I'm booting this phone up and setting it up for the first time. You'll have to go through the process. Now here's the phone. As you can see, it has a wonderful display. It has curved screen as well on the sides.